In the last video, we talked about black seed and its health benefits. Please, every home should have black seed. Another seed that we need in our home is flaxseed. This is flaxseed. This is what it looks like. Flaxseed is flat and is brownish in color. Flaxseed that can be golden in color. Now, why do we need flaxseed? Flaxseed is loaded with nutrients in form of vitamins and minerals, which is needed for brain development, our general immunity, energy metabolism, and iron metabolism. It's a good source of folate, zinc, iron. It's also a good source of thiamine and vitamin B6, among others, as displayed on the screen. Flaxseed has high percentage of omega-3 and omega-6, which is very important in fighting inflammation. So many diseases that occur in human system is as a result of inflammatory reactions. So that's why we need omega-3, and flaxseed is a potent source of omega-3. We need flaxseed because it contains lignin, which has cancer fighting properties. The cancer fighting properties of lignin in flaxseed makes it very useful for everyone to consume daily. This flaxseed has been reported to be good, potent against breast cancer, other cancers, and prostate cancer, which means every lady, every woman, every man needs flaxseed. Flaxseed also contains high percentage of fiber, about 10.6% of fiber, which helps in bowel movement. Remember, when you are constipating, you're victim of so many diseases because your inlet and your outlet is not balanced. So your system is not in equilibrium. If you eat and you don't empty your bowl, that's a disease of itself. So when you consume flaxseed daily, you have free bowel movement. So it means that you will not constipate. So, and when your inlet and outlet is balanced, so many diseases will not affect you. If you understand, people that have diabetes, one of the things that they've noticed that they constipate. So many sickness come with constipation. That's why consuming flaxseed is a natural way of healing yourself of so many diseases. Flaxseed helps to normalize your blood sugar. It helps to regulate your blood pressure. Flaxseed is very, very useful for every home to have. What are you waiting for? Go and get this to be part of your daily diet. You need flaxseed because your general well-being, your immune system can be boosted using flaxseed. How do I use flaxseed? Very simple. You can toast this flaxseed the way it is and snack it. You can sprinkle the powder of this flaxseed in your cereal like oats. You can put it in your tea, in your pulp, in every form of cereal. You can also sprinkle it on your food, or stir fries, for your sauce, for any food you want to cook. You can also soak it in the night and drink it first thing in the morning. What is the dosage for this flaxseed? You can take maximum of 2 spoonfuls, not teaspoon now, 2 spoonfuls daily. Can consume in the morning, afternoon, or night. However, remember, type O and blood type A, these are beneficial for you, that your medicine. So if you don't know how to get all the seeds, please drop on the comment section. It is available. So don't deprive yourself of the healing benefits of this flaxseed today. Till I see you in the next video, remember we have only one life and we need to live it well. Go get flaxseed for yourself and your family.